Hi my stitching family, in this video we're gonna see how you can download best free embroidery designs from EMBWIN. First of all, make sure to subscribe on our new channel on YouTube. Type EMBWIN on the Google search box and click on EMBWIN website, then enter to embwin.com and now choose any design you want to download. I'm gonna pick this design. Click on the title and like you see here is the properties of the design and the design information, the colors, stitches, all the design information you need to know. To download this design you should click on the green download button from here and then wait a few seconds until the countdown finish. It will appear a download button here. Just wait few seconds. I will download another design, old design, with the same way. Just here text download button, not green button like the other one, and wait 10 seconds again. This is the download button. Click on it and the download will start automatically. Click on save and open the folder contain the design with the zip format. You should unzip it using WinRAR or any software. You can unzip all embroidery designs format. This is the old design. Click on download, open folder. This is all embroidery designs format you need. So like you see, easy to download from EMBWIN. I'm gonna download another one. Don't forget to follow our page on Facebook, EMBWIN, home of best free embroidery designs. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video tutorial. See you in the next video.